Hello, welcome to Narrowtech Geo Solution. Today, what I'm going to teach you is how to bring up satellite images, Google Maps, OpenStreetMaps into your GIS map Canva. Okay, if you are new to QGIS, don't worry. If you are a beginner, don't worry. I'm here for you. I am going to simply show you how you can bring a base map into QGIS. Most of the times, if you install QGIS at first, you might not have the plugin that you can use to bring satellite images, base maps into your map canvas. So without wasting much time, let me simply take you through the process. So if you install QGIS, okay, what you need to do is if you want to see you are working on something, you're working on a project, you want to see a map, I want to see the base map of your area. I want to see the base of your area, where exactly you are working. Okay, it's necessary to bring in the base map. That will help you to know exactly where you intend to work. So you come to plugin. We are going to install a plugin, okay, that is called Quick Map Services. All right, so we go to plugin, then you go to manage plugin. Okay, you go to manage plugin. Okay, you go to manage plugins. So on the search bar, on the plugin, you will see installed plugins. So all these ones are plugins that are installed. All these that you can see uh, are plugins that are installed. And if when you come to all, see these are all other plugins that you can install. You have here 3D Arc, 3D, a lot of plugins you can install here. Okay, but they are not installed, so they are listed as part of the plugins that are not installed. And we have upgrade, so you can upgrade all these plugins to. You have invalid. Okay, so this plugin is invalid. So for our purpose, we want to go to install plugins, or we want to go to all. Okay, then you search in the search bar quick quick map services. All right, you see it popping up here, so you click on it and you see it's over here to your right, Quick Map Services. So you need to read a little about it. You can see the number of people who have downloaded. I can't mention the number, so you can see uh, about a lot of people who have downloaded this kind of, about millions who have downloaded this kind of plugin. So you just come here, then you just quickly click install. That is installing the plugin. Okay, let's wait for it to install. Right, let's wait for it to install. Okay, so you see at the top, plugin install successful. You had that, simple. Okay, so your plugin is installed. Now when you go to plugins again, let's check if it's there. You come to plugins. Now you go to install plugins, right? Now come to install plugins. It's here, it's installed. I can click here so that you see all the installed plugins. It's installed. Make sure you check it. Okay, make sure you check the plugin. Now we are done with the installation. So what can we do? How do we bring in a base map? How do you bring in OpenStreetMap base map? How do you bring OSM base map? How do you bring Bingo base map? How do we bring a lot of base map? So we just go to web. Okay, you see it's here, web, then quick map services. Then you see a list of images or base map that you can do you can bring, right? You can search MS, you can search here. But let's say you want to bring satellite images from bin. Just go here, bin. Then here is your satellite image. Okay, here is your image. So if you are working on a project that you want to see if your area of interest aligns your intended location, you just bring it here. So guys, this is how you can just bring in satellite images by doing the steps that I've shown you. I know it's going to be helpful to you, it's going to benefit you. Again, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, and do not forget to comment. Let us build a family together. So Now I tell you, stay tuned and see you for the next videos. Thank you.